Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and today's little video is going to be about 3 different ways to do almost exactly the same thing. We want this shape, this inner part. I always find it's easier to just take the Smart Fill tool and get that part, and then left click, right click, and you have that shape, and you've still got your two original shapes. Or you could take the weld tool and go trim, and it'll trim away that. But that took away your original shape, but if that's what you wanted, that's fine. And then the last one would be to back minus front. And then it just takes away everything and leaves your shape that you wanted. So if you wanted this multiple times, your best bet would be the Smart Fill tool, because you could just keep filling that in and keep making that shape. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.